Look at this. Look at this. Here, let me stop right here real quick. We're in Camp Spearhead. It's an abandoned camp in South Carolina off of Highway 11. And the Forest Service has taken it over. Oh yeah. A little uphill with some rough gravel. Ooh, I got concrete over here. How about that? Wow. One time it was paved. Imagine that. Whoa. Oh, Lord. I lost it on that one. Wasn't ready for it. Never been on this trail before. Whew. All right. I think that's the waterfall that I was just at down there. Would make sense. All right. What do we got here? Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Wow. Very cool. Very cool. Wow. Look at this. Look at all the fish. Let's go. Let's just take a little bit of a tour up here. Look at this. All right. Wow. This is just beautiful. Never been here before. I haven't even scouted it out yet. This is the first scouting of Camp Spearhead. Woohoo. If I don't run up on anything scary. Wow, that's pretty cool. Neat, very neat. Whoa, it's getting thick back here. Oh, what are we running into here? A road. Wow. Oh, what is this? Let's go up here and check it out. What is this? All right, let you know. I have no idea where I am, but this is pretty cool. I guess they're building up here. I don't think I'm gonna go too far down here. I don't know if there's any dogs or what they have. I'm gonna go back down the way I came. Through the woods, across the grandmother's house is where we're going. I think this is the lower one. Here we go. There's a pedal drag there, but I handled it. Ooh. I need to get off this trail. It's gonna come down on me. All right, there's the lake again. Let's go check out the lake real quick. cry of the old abandoned camp spirit. Peace out.